gravel. It's more than just an all-day grind on the most challenging roads one can find. It's about not being held back by the expectations of what you can and can't do on your bike.
Fuji's Jari is your segue from tame to beast, combining performance with functionality that is ready for any adventure.
Speaking of adventure, the Jari is rack and fender ready, opening up endless possibilities for light touring or bikepacking trips. Equipped with the Fuji A6 SL super butted aluminum frame and full carbon fork, the Jari features a modern gravel geometry that offers stability, comfort, and performance on a variety of terrains. The Jari drivetrain is equipped with a 1x11 group set, which is perfect for flat or hilly terrain. It's complemented with front and rear through axles, which provide precise handling and excellent power transfer for performance and efficiency. Combined with the T47 bottom bracket, this provides a reliable, easy maintenance, noise-free crankset interface, eliminating annoying creaks and squeaks. The rolling power is equipped with WTB wheels and tires, allowing for exceptional control and traction on gravel or tarmac.
Gravel means you can go anywhere and do anything.
The journey is the best part of the trip, and the Jari is the perfect travel partner.